Hey, watch out, right? Let me make nature cereal. Hey, watch out. Look at how this water look, you know what I'm saying? Look at everything water sitting down to the bottom. See how it look to the bottom? This is why it's important to always wash your fruit and veggies. Key lime, cayenne, and salt for the digestion. Spicy. Come in with some black walnut. Wake the body up. Come in with some wormwood. Berries, right? Packed with antioxidants, especially this antioxidant called flavonoid, which will help protect the brain cells from oxidative stress and damage. Blueberries have been shown to improve cognitive function, to help support the memory. Finally got PS5. Finally, man. It's time to retire the PS4. I get this PS4 from since 2018.
Well, take me. Hi, I'm Peter Parker. I'm 25 years old,